gonna keep that candy, yeah. I need more like Mandy, yeah. I'm in my head again. I was raised like that, so I guess I never really changed like that.
Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. So today, guys, I'm going to be your guide, your YouTubers to trust guide. Anything beauty, anything makeup, guess what? I'm going to tell you who to go watch, who you can trust with reviews, who you can trust with tutorials, who you can trust with just about anything to do with makeup, guys. Anything. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss no videos. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. You know, sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which were spoilers for the Ipsy April Ultimate Bags. Congratulations, Rhonda Brooks. Rhonda says, glad you're back. Well, Rhonda, honey, it feels so good to be back. Thank you so much, honey, and I really appreciate you coming and watching my videos. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances to get it. You could either set your will and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments to pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so we'll go ahead and dive into this madness, but first I want to get some things off my chest. First of all, it is Friday the 13th, and this is horrible. First of all, Aki is in here. You know, that everybody knows Aki. He's my clout chasing kitty. Well, he's in here again. You know, he don't understand he's on the wrong channel to clout chase. Then I had to run my son to the hospital. They might have to make you read it again. Might wait a few minutes to see if it clears up. That one eye's alright though. I think you only got 2 wrong with it. Because he goes to a school where he does like auto body and stuff, and they try to get him ready for the real world. Well, he got lacquer thinner in his eyes, and he was blind as a bat. I had to go to the school to go get him. I had to walk him out, and y'all, I looked so dumb. I went in there to get him, right? And I signed him out and everything. And then I go ahead and walk on out in the office, and I turn around because I didn't hear him behind me, and I was like, well, Mason? I went back in there, and he was just standing there like this, just standing there. And I was like, oh, shit, I forgot he can't even see. Y'all, I had to guide him out of the school. I was so embarrassed. I bet them teachers was looking at me like,
look at this right here.
So we go to the hospital, and they put these things in his eyes, like contact lenses, but it's got an IV line coming out of him. And it's got this big old bag of fluids that is running straight to his eyes. And he just couldn't stand that thing after about 10 minutes. They said he'd have to do that for about 30 minutes. Couldn't stand it. So they ended up doing that other eye wash thing and everything. Y'all, he was totally blind. This poor youngin', I swear, I know it hurt, it burned him and everything else. You know, so everything, I'm still short on all my damn bills for this next month. So I don't know what I'm going to do about that. Then I go to get a loaf of bread, y'all, because you know what? We're broke. Y'all know we're broke. So I go to get a loaf of bread at the damn store, you know, to go with dinner. Y'all, there ain't no damn bread left. And everybody's standing in line with like carts and carts of stuff because this damn coronavirus, you know, it's got everybody worked up. And, you know, I'm worked up too. I'm just too broke. I can't go out there and, Lord. I know it's Friday the 13th, y'all, but damn. Can it back off me a little bit? But anyways, y'all, I know it's got everybody worked up, but again, I'm too damn broke to even be worked up. I cannot even start to get all this stuff prepared and everything, so I don't know what's going to happen to us. I guess the zombies is going to eat us, I reckon. I don't know. But y'all, it's something all the time, and I'm so ready for this Friday the 13th to be over. They done closed the schools for next week. I don't know what I'm going to do. Anyways, guys, I'm done ranting. Let's go ahead and get into it. Now, y'all remember the video I done after I seen Natalia Taylor's video the other day where she went to an event and people didn't like her. They was treating her like crap, and they was telling her about how much they hate their subscribers, which I still can't wrap my head around. Anyways, So that is the inspiration for this video. I wanted to be a video that everybody could go to if you're looking for anything makeup on YouTube. I wanted to be that guide to tell y'all who y'all can trust. And it don't matter what it's for. Whether it's for full face, whether it's for makeup tutorials, makeup reviews, subscription boxes, everything. I got every single trusted YouTuber right here. The ones you can trust. And the way you can tell if you trust them or not, you got to look at the sponsors, y'all. Y'all got to look at who they're sponsoring. If it's anybody like Detox Teas or those skinny teas or anything like that, just go ahead and hop off their channel, y'all. If anybody is promoting that, you already know they're just in it for the money. So just go on and get off their channel. Time you see that. Anything like that. And these, what are these things like? These pearls or something, whatever. I might need to bleep that out. But you know, them pearls that they're saying detox is down there. Look, honey, that down there, she don't need nobody to help clean her out. It's naturally, it cleans itself. So anybody promoting that, get off their channels. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, if you're looking for any complexion products, foundations, concealers, anything like that, I got a couple of people for you. One of them is Taylor Wynn. I've been watching her for years, and I trust every word she says. Every single word she says, and she does so many complexion products, especially foundations. She is so good at what she does. She is like the queen of foundations. I just love her to death. Now, she used to be That Taylor, or That Taylor, something like that. I'll put it right up here. But she did change her name to Taylor Wynn. So she is absolutely somebody you could trust for a foundation review. If you're looking at some foundations to buy and you just want to know how it performs before you get it, just go to her channel. Now, she is, you know, really fair skinned. So I've got somebody else that does complexion products for people with darker skin tones, and that is Nima Tang. This girl, I've been watching her for about a year now, and she is absolutely one of my favorite YouTubers on this platform. She will tell you the truth now. She is so honest about everything that she tries out. And again, she does all kinds of complexion products, foundations, concealers. I mean, she does all kinds of makeup. She does new makeup reviews and everything else. But she is another foundation queen. I'm telling you, these girls are amazing. And everybody that I'm mentioning in this video today, I'm going to have their channels linked below. That way you can go and check them out for yourself. All right, guys. So if you're one of those people with dry skin like me and you just like to use a lot of cream products, one of my favorite trusted YouTubers is Samantha Ravindall. Now, she absolutely loves cream products. And she also does tutorials and reviews and all that. But if you're looking to find out how to use more cream products and put them into your makeup routine, or if you're looking to buy certain cream product, go to her channel because she is the cream queen. Absolutely love her. All right, guys. Now, next up, if you're looking for any drugstore makeup, I've got some people who do drugstore reviews that are completely honest. You could trust these people. You could trust every single thing that comes out of their mouth. I promise you that. So the first one is Allie Glines. She does a lot of drugstore makeup reviews. She also does tutorials and stuff like that. She's got a few, you know, high-end makeup and stuff like that. She does a couple of their reviews also. So she is definitely one you can trust and you can go watch. The next one is Emily Noel. Y'all know her. She does a lot of drugstore makeup reviews as well. She does do some new releases. Just their reviews are just amazing to me. And if I'm ever looking for something, anything drugstore, I automatically know to go to their channels to check it out. Now, I got some girls that not only do drugstore makeup, but these other girls that also do dollar store makeup. Yes, I'm telling y'all, I got everything makeup in here. This is just going to be y'all's guide, I'm telling you. So first up is Alexis Jada. Now, she is my favorite one to go to anytime I'm looking at like drugstore or dollar store brands. She does them all, y'all. She gets a lot of LA colors. You know, that comes from Dollar General and stuff like that. But she is absolutely amazing at what she does. She does tutorials. She does those talk throughs. She does story times, which is really fun. She's actually got paranormal stuff that happens in her home. Oh my gosh. You ought to get into that one. Not only her, but Juicy Jaws. I don't know if y'all know her or not, but she is another one you can trust every word that she says. She does drugstore as well as dollar store products. And, you know, her and Alexis Jada also do some high-end products and then releases, reviews and stuff like that. But I'm just telling you, they are the ones to go if you're looking for drugstore or dollar store stuff. Now, if you're looking for new release reviews, anything that has been newly released, Nakia Joy is one of the best ones at it. I just love her, and she tells you the truth about stuff. If it's not working for her, she's going to let you know why it don't work, if it's a crap product or what. And also, you already know Jeffree Star. Now, I know he's always in drama and he's a little bit mouthy there, but you know he's one that's going to be completely transparent. And in Babs Beauty, she does a lot of new release reviews as well. But Babs, I've heard her talk so much crap about so much stuff. You know, anytime you see any of that, now I feel like I'm a good judge of character when it comes to who to trust, who not to trust. You know what I mean? I look for the little signs. But Babs Beauty is absolutely one you can trust. Now, next up, if you're looking for a trusted YouTuber to watch tutorials, makeup tutorials, Raw Beauty Christy, nobody can beat her. All right, she is at the top of my list. I'm telling you what, she has turned down so many sponsors because the products weren't working for her. I mean, you just know you can trust the girl. I mean, everything that she says is the truth. And I mean, she describes everything down to a T. She will give you a full description of every single product. Also, Alyssa Ashley, she's a really good channel to watch for tutorials as well, especially if you got hooded eyes. She can show you how to do a wing liner. She's the one that taught me. I watched her, and that's where I learned to perfect my wing liner for hooded eyes. But she's a really good one to watch for tutorials as well. Now, if you want somebody that reviews luxury makeup, the one that I can trust is Michelle Wayne. She does a lot of luxury brand reviews. So she is the one to check out if you're looking to buy something luxury makeup. You better go to Michelle Wayne's channel and see if she's reviewed it and listen to every word that she says about it, because she's going to be completely honest about it. Now, if you're looking for all-around makeup, you know, the full face of makeup, tutorials, reviews, anything, I've got Kelly Strack. Now, she is one that I've heard her dog a few products, y'all, and I've heard her like rave on some stuff, and then I know her good because I've used some of her reviews to actually go buy products, and I absolutely fell in love with them. Also, Jamie Friend. She is another amazing YouTuber that is completely transparent, will tell you the truth about everything. Next up, if you're looking for any tutorials, any tips, any tricks, or anything like that, the only one I go to is Wayne Goss. He's completely honest about everything. I don't think I ever seen him sponsor but one or two things. Don't do a lot of sponsorships, so you can tell he's well trusted. Now, if you're looking for a particular eyeshadow look or anything like that, eyeshadow tutorials, definitely go to Angela Bright's channel. Her and Ann Cook. Those two are amazing at what they do. They've got every eye look that you could ever imagine. If you're looking for anything to do with mature skin, what kind of makeup to use on mature skin, she also does reviews and stuff like that too. But Risa does makeup. She is amazing at what she does. I love going to her channel to figure out like any kind of hacks I can do for mature skin, because you know the wrinkles and lines they get to me. But she's the one to go to for that, y'all. Next up, if you're just looking for fun makeup videos, challenges, anything like that, you know you go to Nikki Tutorials. She just has a lot of fun videos, and I think she's really fun to watch. If you're looking for anything FX makeup, anything FX makeup, definitely go to Raw Beauty Christy. She's got a few of those videos up where she does them at Halloween. But definitely Glam&Gore is your girl. You definitely need to go there if you're looking for anything FX. Now, if you're looking for subscription box reviews, Abadabas is really good. Yari G and also Alexandria Ryan. They will be completely honest with y'all guys. If they don't like the subscription box, because they do a lot of reviews on just about every subscription box you could get, they're going to be honest. They're going to tell you if the box is worth it or not. They're going to tell you what's cheap, what they like about it, and what they do like about it. If you're looking for any information on MLM brands and stuff like that, definitely go to Kiki Chanel. It's like Kiki Channel, but she spelled channel as Chanel. So I think it's pretty cool, but she is completely honest. She breaks it down for you. Also, Emily Lee. She's new, but she is damn good at what she does, and she is completely transparent about an MLM. If you're looking for a detailed breakdown of a certain product or brand or anything, definitely go to Jen Love's reviews. She she describes makeup down to a T. She'll break it down. She breaks down the ingredients, the brand, and how they act if there's any drama or anything like that. She's your gal. Last up, if you're looking for any beauty drama, if you want to find out anything like that, I find that Smoky Glow is the one to trust. She is the one to go to for that. If you're trying to figure out what kind of drama is going on in the makeup community or the YouTube community in general, Smoky Glow, she's the one to go to. I could just tell that girl is so good at what she does. She loves her job. She loves her fans. She loves her subscribers. And she will not lie to them. And of course, if you need any subscription box spoilers, honey, you're already here. But anyways, guys, I did want to do this quick video. I'm going to have to get out of here. The cat's done. Aki, my little clout chasing kitty, done knocked over my damn camera and everything. So I'm going to have to wrap this up right here. But I hope this guide can help you guys out finding a trusted YouTuber. Don't go to those ones that you see a bunch of sponsorships on, especially if they're sponsoring something stupid that you know don't work. Just go ahead and click off their channel. But guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Now, if there's any YouTubers that you feel like you can trust, put them down in the comments and let everybody know. I'm just trying to help everybody around just make their way around this crazy platform. You know how that goes. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, congratulations, Mandy Gillum. Mandy says 2 comments too late. Dang, laugh out loud. Well, Mandy, honey, you know you got 2 chances. And I picked your comment, honey. Thank you so much for coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube's been taking subscribers and unsubscribing people. But if you would, double check that. If you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept the gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. One more tiny thing before you guys head out.
Damn YouTube.
If you would, make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. And you'll catch all these videos and also my spoilers. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye. 13th to be over. They done closed the schools for next week. I don't know what I'm going to do, y'all. Get down, Aki. Shit. L-M. Go out there and... Lord.